Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your roofing services, so this is the best option for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform with Astra theme. So it has a professional header menu that has a logo on the left section. Here you can add your own logo. After that, on the center it has a menu. Here you can see the menu has various pages, for example services page where you offer different services. Let's see. So this is the services page that has a background image. Scroll down, here you can see these are the services list. Scroll down, here you can see these are some other text, as well as you can see how it works. So it starts from consultation, proposal, installation, as well as inspection. So you can see this is only one page, that is services page. Just you can navigate into other pages. After that it has a button where customers can contact you. After that, here you can see after body section it has another section that has a contact form where customers can fill out this form and you can get customer messages directly in your contact box. After that, here you can see this is some text as well as a button. And here you can see, scroll down, just you can add your location as well as you can add social media icons and accounts so that customers can directly contact you. After that, in the second section it has a contact number option. Just you can remove and add your own call number. After that, scroll down, here you can see these are some services that you can add or replace your own text. For example, these are the basic services: commercial roofing, residential roofing, after storm damage, financial, as well as you can scroll down, here you can see you can explain about your team, as well as you can add your project details that you have completed. And scroll down, here you can see these are some customer reviews or testimonials. So the next, you can add here your own partner logos, and if you don't need this section, just you can remove it, as well as you can customize according to your requirement. After that, in the end, it has a footer section that has a footer menu, as well as you can add your own contact details about your company as well as social icons. So let's see how we can get this type of professional website design without any programming or coding skills. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that, on the next page, here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that, just you can scroll down, here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that, you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that, in dashboard, here you can see in hosting, so this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that, just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down, here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that, here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that, scroll down, here you can see these are the current name servers. Just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that, just I can copy this second one, add here. After that, just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that, the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that, just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here. The first one, WordPress. After that, scroll here and click here on install now. After that, here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that, you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that, you can select WordPress variant, and after that, if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next, you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that, here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that, scroll down. Here you can select one of theme. The next, you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that, you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security, but I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that, you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free variant. And after that, I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see So it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you know, the website has clean and simple interface. Now we want to add this professional design in our simple WordPress website. Here you can see. So now we can go to dashboard. Here you can see. After that, in the dashboard, just find out appearance, and here we can go to starter templates. Here you can see the starter templates page looks. It contains hundreds of pre-built templates that comes with Astra WordPress theme. So just you can find out according to your category, as well as it has a search bar. Just you can add a keyword. For example, I want to add a keyword related to my business. So here you can see it has filtered all the categories or templates that are related to my keyword. So just I can select one of these template. After that, if you have your own logo, just you can upload here, and if you don't have, just you can skip. After that, here you can see on this page color scheme, just you can select one of the colors collection. Here you can see font options, just you can update. After that, click here continue. Now you can fill out this form. Here you can see this is a simple form. Just I can add here some details. After that, scroll down, just click here on the button submit and build my website. After that, you will get this professional design within a single click. So now if you want to change this logo, how you can do that? Just you can click here and go to customizer options. Here you can see on the left side it has header builder. After that, click here site title and logo. So just you can see the logo has white color. Just you can add your own logo. After that, you can see there are many other options, just you can edit them. So now here you can see on the top it has menu. How you can edit this menu? Just you can go here and open the menu page. Here you can see how the menu page looks. It has multiple menus. So here you can see this is primary menu, just we can select it. So now we can edit our menu. Here you can see it contains various menu items. So if we want to remove, just click here and here you can see remove option. In the same way, you can add anything in the menu. After that, you can sort your menu. Here you can see the drag and drop functionality, and just click here save menu. So in this way you can edit any type of menu in WordPress website. Now here you can see it has content as well as images. How you can edit these? Just you can go to edit with Elementor. After that, here you can see if you want to change background image, just go to section settings. After that, go to style tab. Here you can see it has a large background image. Just you can click here and upload your own image. After that, if you want to change this content, just click here and add your own text. For example, I can add some text. So here you can see it has changed accordingly. After that, it has buttons. Just you can click here and after that you can add a link. For example, I can copy this link and I can add here. So in this way you can link your buttons with any page. Scroll down, here you can see these are various other sections. Just you can click here. Here you can see it has contact form. After that, it has some text. So just you can edit. Click here and here you can see on the left side it has options to change any type of content. So in this way you can create a WordPress website within couple of clicks.